Okay, today we'll be opening up this used factory installed Ford oil filter, number H6BG-6714-BA. And I got this used oil filter from a very generous viewer whose name is Nick Mogg from Strongsville, Ohio. Thanks, Nick. This filter was in service for 11,700 miles and came off of Nick's 2022 Ford Escape plug-in hybrid. Yep, the one with the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. This was the vehicle's first oil change, and the oil used was factory-filled 0W20 oil. First oil change? Let's see what this filter caught. So let's get started.
This is a cord. You gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight, get your end here, filtration end here.
Okay, so before we open this filter up, let's take a quick look at it. I can't find anywhere on this filter where it's made, but I did find one of these filters on eBay. I'll put that up on the screen right now. It says on the box that it comes in that it's made in Germany. Check out the date code, because the date code, you have to use a UV light to see the date code. Here it is, 5422. So that would make it April 5th, 2022. Okay. This filter has 5 inlet holes, metal core with holes, bypass valve down below, 4 grooves there for threads, and nitro rubber gasket. This looks pretty thick. I'll put the measurement of that on the screen. Okay, and let's open up this filter, see what it looks like. I'm going to take my glove off of this because it's too slippery. Okay. Get my glove back on. Yeah, this filter was so short and slippery I couldn't get my hand around it good, so it's kind of slipping off the gloves. Yeah, I've kind of figured there was going to be a lot of oil. Well, everything there looks good. Silicone drain back valve. I'll clean it all up, but it looks good. Well, it's definitely working. Yep. This filter element looks a little crooked, but you got a metal crimp seam right here. Bypass valve. Metal end caps. I don't see no excess glue. I'll put the number of pleats on the screen. Yeah, they look nicely spaced. I don't know what the micron rating of this filter is or what it's made out of. That's probably a sliver of paint from the can. Yeah, it all looks good. A lot of pleats there, and they're nicely spaced. That looks good. Stamp leaf spring. It's got a good shape to it. It's not flattened out or anything. And we got a lot of oil in here. But I don't see no sludging. I don't see much carbon. It's just a little dark, that's all. You can see like the overspray. Yeah. Now let's get some measurements. Let's see, get this can. This was pretty thick filter. Let's see if I can get it on the edge here. I mean, 0.50 millimeters thick. And the filter element, 1.54 minus 1/10 of an inch. Okay. Yeah, this all looks good. Well, let me cut this open, stretch it out, squeeze it out and stretch it out. There's a lot of oil in here. And see what it looks like. Be right back. Okay, so here's the filter stretched out, and I cut it in two because it's so long. And it's actually 86 inches long. Okay, let's get the thickness of this filter media. 0.54 millimeters thick. This is the filtering side. Here's the back side. And if we look under a microscope, we're going to see that the filter is actually pretty clean. It's very clean, actually. And it doesn't have no light spots coming through. So let's take a look at that picture. So as you can see, there's no light spots coming through. I would guess this has a pretty good micron rating. And it's pretty clean also. But there is a lot of sparklies. So let's take a look up close. You can see all the sparklies in here. Look at them all. There, there, there. A lot of them in here. And that's usually the case with a lot of first oil changes. But as far as soot and carbon, there ain't really nothing here. Alright, let's take a look at the rest of the filter. So the first thing I'm going to say about this filter is it definitely looks like a Mobil made oil filter. It's got this kind of stamp leaf spring, which is on the Mobil filters. And it's got the white silicone drain back valve. Also, the way this is designed with they're folded over here. See that the base plate, these things are folded over in. Yeah, so I would say this is a Mobil, and the core actually too. It's got a nice core with holes, smooth holes. Nice thick can. I would say this is a very well made oil filter. What do you guys think about this filter? And again, I want to thank Nick for sending me this used first oil change oil filter. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I try to open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care. Let's see if a magnet picks up any of this stuff. Nope. Nope. Right there. Got that one. Nothing there either.